out and put it over here where it needs to be. Right here. Maybe a little loud, but here we go. So much faster, so much easier, and so much cleaner. Bob, why don't you tell him what kind of pump that is, because I don't know.
It's just a 12-volt transfer pump that you hook up to a battery, and I've got it hooked to the water barrel, and it pulls water out of the water barrel, and when you turn it on, it puts pressure on the hose so you can use it just like a regular hose off of a faucet on your house.
There we go, guys. We've got 2 cages cleaned in less than the time that it would have taken for one, and they're a lot cleaner. So, I love that little idea that he had this time about that pump. So, I just wanted to let you know, just in case you have rabbits, or any animals really, and you don't have water in your barn, 55-gallon barrel, with a removable top, put a water hose faucet on there, the pump and the battery, and let me tell you, it may cost a little bit to get it started, but in time-wise, it's well worth every penny of it. Thanks for watching.